Hey guys, how's it going? I just want to do a quick video to show you one of the coolest things of owning a 4-place Grumman airplane.
Grummans are one of the few planes that have foldable rear seats, greatly expanding their storage capability. Measuring 40 inches at its widest and approximately 72 inches long, it's easily big enough for the average guy to sleep in.
And I've tested it before. I've gotten all the way back there and laid down, and I can lay all the way down in the back seat. So I'm going to show you how to put the rear seats back into the Grumman.
The first step is to make sure the front seats are moved forward as far as they will go. Then, climb in the back and lift up the back support, making sure both sides click into place. Notice the seat post holes located on the top of the support. Next, lift up the rear seat cushion. Unlike what you see here, make sure the seat belts aren't stuck underneath the cushion. After that, grab the two back cushion supports, climb back in and put the supports in place, using the seat post holes on the back support to hold them in place. And voila! You're now ready to comfortably carry passengers in the back seat, while you still have plenty of storage space in the back.
And that is how you put the back seats in a Grumman.